You must have seen, there's no need to say, but just again, Gattita Prasad, show that tam, te, hit that tam, te, hit the tam, te, hit that tam, te, hit the 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 tam. You see, Kati and Kali, they have to be in one line. They have to be one. If you are like this, your posture is not perfect. Okay? Now do the Anchitam Tam. My Guruji used to tell me that when you are here, the Kuchipudi special feature is you go Tam, Tatte, hit the Tam, you are going up and down. Because the dance has been practiced, performed by males. So this character is definitely there. It's not this. If you do this, these Bharatanatyam dancers do this. So my Guruji was against this. Do that? Anchitam. Takadinatom, 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 tatte, te hit the tom, te hit the tom, tatte, te hit the tom, te hit the tom. Now do this Mandikoppu, takadimmi, takajan. And in this takadimmi, takajan, you are not going. Takadimmi, you are not going. Takadimmi, takajan. Takadimmi, takajan, takadimmi, takajan. Like that. You are on the same level, but toe heel. Takadinatom, takadinatom, takadimmi, takajan. Takadimmi, takajan. Takadimmi, takajan. Takadimmi, takajan. Takadimmi, takajan, takadimmi, takajan, takadimmi, takajan, takadimmi, takajan. Takadinatom, takadinatom, takadinatom. Now do step with Suchipada. Tam, te, hit the tam, te, hit one. Takadinatom, 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 tatte, te, hit the tam, te, hit the tam, te, hit the tam, tatte, te, hit the tam, te, hit the tam, tatte, te, hit the takadinatom, takadinatom, takadinatom. Do Agratala Sancharam. Dig, 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 dig. Ta, it, tam, one. Dig, only dig. Call Agratala Sancharam. Takadinatom, takadinatom, takadin, dig, 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 and one more Agratala Sancharam my Guruji used to give me exercise. He used to make me to stand in this posture for half an hour. My hands on the wall. And half an hour he will never allow me to get up. So after this, and he will ask, now Raja, you come, you practice. They were so pain. Now, do this. You learn this song. Okay, sit properly. One, yeah. This is also my Guruji used to call Adavasamo or Agratala Sancharam, whatever. Takadinatom, 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 dig, 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 tatte, tom, dig, dig, dig. Stop, stop, stop. You are seeing this thumb? And my Guruji was very particular when you are doing this thumb. This should come and touch the butt. He was very particular. Do that try. Takadinatom, 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 dig, 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 tatta, tatta, dig, tom, dig, 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 tatta, tatta, dig, tom, dig, 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 takadinatom, takadinatom, takadinatom. These are the Adavus alphabets. Then after alphabets we learn words. How to make A for A for apple, B for boy, like that. Now I will ask them to do takkata dinginatto. Now Agratara Sancharaman Anchita together. What my Guruji is Vedanta Prahlad Sharma is. Now do
Brother, I think hello.
But my Guruji is, when you are in Choka, you have to go down and bend from this. Takkata dinginatto. Takkata dinginatto. Takkata. You have to bend from the waist. This position is there. Hare Rama. Takkata dinginatto. 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 And in this also nowadays I am not seeing the talangu takkati mitakata diganato. The position is like this. Talangu takkatim takkata dingin. Takkata dinginato. Talangu takkatim takkata dinginato. Talangu takkatim takkata dinginato. Now become bit age, so our body is not cooperating. And in the second tweet, talangutakati mitakata riganato, talangutakati mitakata riganato, talangutakati mitakata riganato, talangutakati takata riganato, like that. And these days I'm not seeing the step this Senditachari or Apasenditachari was knowing that I'm not seeing students sitting completely when I was giving lecture demonstrations for the teachers in Delhi, my Guruji was there. And he said, Tam, tattajanu, completely you have to sit. You have to sit. Can anybody sit better? Huh? Tam, tattajanu? Come. The students have become very lazy, but that is the real Kuchipudi step. Who can do some? Tam tattajanu tam tattajanu takatim mitajanu tam tattajanu tam tattajanu takatim tatta. Like this in single speed and double speed you should practice.
Even this is not done anymore.
Which-
Stop done it.
No, I think in Kuchipudi village they teach. Everybody?
You don't see them anymore.
Tattajanu.
Remember you did this in
And stand in, okay, on the heels. Do that. One,
hand goes down first.
1, 2, 3, 4. Tam tattajanu takatim tattajanu tam tattajanu takatim tattajanu ta. This way I'm giving some examples. So we learn this and then we teach them sentence. Sentence means jati. Then after jati, small nrutta items. So like that, go on, from word, from sentence, from paragraph, and then to story. It's step by step we teach the students. Why I'm giving this? Because after going to Delhi, people used to call, Kuchipudi is not a perfect classical dance. It's a folk. They are at liberty, they don't do proper hasta, movements and hand movements and body movements like that they used to say. So we have to, after seeing the many styles there, we did hard work and we convinced. My Guruji used to come and he was convinced and he said, good, you are going for Kuchipudi, whatever you are doing, good. You ask me. Then same
No,
thing with
actually ఏమైందంటే ఒకసారి బహ్రెయిన్ లో షో బుక్ అయింది గ్రీన్లేస్ వాళ్ళకి చేసేది ఉండే సో ద గ్రీన్లేస్ ఎండి చైర్మన్ హీ సెడ్ నో కూచిపూడి సిస్టమ్ లేదు మా ప్రాపర్ చెయ్యరు మీరు వాంట్ కూచిపూడి మాది బుక్ అయిన తర్వాత అడ్వాన్స్ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత క్యాన్సిల్ చేసి మాల్విక సరుకైకి తీసుకెళ్లారు సి దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొఫెషనలిజం విత్ టైమ్ చేయటము ప్లస్ ఆల్సో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో మనం పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలంటే ఆ స్టాండర్డ్స్ మనం మీట్ చేయాలి we cannot be backward. We have to change చేసి రెడ్డి గారు ఆ రిఫైన్మెంట్ తీసుకొచ్చారు. ఎందుకంటే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎక్స్పోజర్ ఉండి అండ్ ఢిల్లీలో ఉండి యు ఆర్ సీయింగ్ ద బెస్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. యూ హ్యావ్ టు cater to that level. You have to rise to that level to get your style to that what kind of popularity.
Now, you see, one more step I would like to Kattarnatu. You know, gurus know the Kattarnatu. What Kattarnatu in Kuchipudi? So they do this like that. But my Guruji used to, you know, Chokam, do that. You have to lift this. Hey, you see, heel come, భూమి దగ్గర కూడా చేతులు పోవాలా. And you're not going up and down. Maintain the level. Takka dinhatom. See that? One. Takka dinhatom. Hey, ta, kitta, takka, tajam, tattom. Ta, kitta, takka, tajam, tattom. Hey, ta, kitta, takka, tajam, tattom. Ta, kitta, takka, tajam, tattom. Hey, ta, kitta, takka, tajam, tattom. Takka dinhatom. You must notice when you are doing this, you see, you are going in a circle. Your waist and your shoulder and hand, they are in the line. And you are listening. You have to go this and that depends upon the students. Students don't want to do hard work. So our style will vanish. You have to maintain the grammar. So based on these steps, I have choreographed Bharat Ratna Pandit Ravi Shankar's music. How in the temple the sculpture comes to life and enjoys dancing, and finally she feels bad that she's going to her own farm.
Garu is trying to also paint me black. Actually, staying in Delhi, you are competing with a lot of other styles. So you have to keep up, you know. So for that, yeah, I try to connect. Because Samundramla, we have to survive, we have to learn to survive. And we are very fortunate that our daughter is married, though we are in Delhi, but we are very much South Indian at heart. So I was very particular, ma ammayilu ikkadne pendi avalani. So this girl is married and settled in Hyderabad.
And one more thing to tell you, I'm very happy to, now I cannot hide within me. We are dedicated to Kuchipudi art, and Kuchipudi Gramulo Mahanubhavulu, Endaro Mahanubhavulu Janmincharu, Kuchipudi family lo, Varu completely Kuchipudiki Ankitam ayyaru. And ఈ మహాత్ముడు రామలింగ శాస్త్రి కూడా తనకు ప్రిన్సిపల్గా వర్క్ చేయడం కాకుండా నేర్పించడం కాకుండా వెరీ స్కాలర్లీ హీ బ్రింగ్ అప్ బుక్స్ అండ్ నృత్య నాటికలు రాస్తున్నాడు, నృత్యం చేయిస్తున్నాడు. తను సొంతగా కూచిపూడికి అంకితం అయిపోయాడు. అతనికి ఈ సంవత్సరము సంగీత నాటక అకాడమీ అవార్డు పురస్కారంలో పెట్టద్దు ఓపెన్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే. I'm very happy to announce this. Thank you very much. Thank you, Raja Garu. Thank you.